ask for help, to ask for what can we do next, how can we solve this. So, so that's what I do is, if you go to Zimbabwe now, you'll see what I shared with everybody today in ceremony. I mean, in real life, people healing, getting healed. You know, people getting better in their lives by supporting each other and being there. So the first piece I did, it's a welcoming, where we were balancing clay pots of water. Water brings birth, and it takes to death as well. So everybody needs water. So water is most important thing when we do our rituals and ceremonies, because it's clean, it's holy, it's cleansing. Even when we open the ceremony, we drink, we share one clay pot of water with everybody to bring in everybody. When we do that dance, there's no color, there's no, everybody's welcome. There's no, you are not supposed to be here, you're on the wrong place. You are there, you are the right place. So that was the first dance, welcoming. And you know, when people die at home, people dance, crying. It's a way of, you know, in that piece, instead of crying tears, you cry in movement. The dust comes out, the water comes in, calm down the dust, and you rise up. So that first piece is like rising up, you know, never give up. And then the second piece I did with the seeds, with the baskets, that's um, praying for rain, blessing the seeds before we plant. And in that piece, the story is about, you know, when we have the seeds, the whole community comes together. They bring all the seeds they're going to plant that year. We all put them in one basket. And we do a prayer to pray for the energy. Because when you put the seeds in the earth, you don't know what energy makes it grow. So we pray for that energy. And the crops needs water. And you don't know how it is going to rain, so we pray. So everything is praying, praying. And then the seeds symbolize as well um, the seeds we plant can be children. No, Chalanda. Like the song we were singing, it takes time and patience to raise a child. So in that space, I mean, and that's what I like about what I do, because it just doesn't talk about one thing. It's talking about crops, it talks about people. It takes time to raise a child, and it's joyful to us. And this is my daughter.
Oh, that's your
and
daughter.
I understanding what that dance is about, and that's my son.
Oh, your son.
And that's my other son, Gerald.
All right, family affair. So these are all your children? All your beautiful children?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
great.
And this is Mokisi.
And your son.
And that's my cousin.
Okay, great. And I'd like to open the floor up for questions. Questions? Where's Sandra? Where's Sandra? Sandra.
So when you were on
Oh,
when you were on stage, right when you were getting off stage, you gave him some props when he did his little solo, but acknowledging where he was from. Where are all the rest of you from? I mean, where you physically live?
Oh, so we live now in Auckland, but my kids and my cousin, we are from Zimbabwe. And then Mokese is from South Africa.
Okay.
And Glenn.
Oakland. From Oakland.
Oakland.
And the group plays in rehearsals in but born and raised.
Okay. So is there a place there in particular that you play on a regular basis? A venue?
In Auckland.
In Oakland.
Oh yeah, in Ashkenaz.
Oh, Ashkenaz.
Yeah, so I perform in different places. Ashkenaz, I perform the Sierra Nevada World Festival, and I've done Ethnic Dance Festival. I work with different organizations, and I teach in schools. And It's always everyday dancing.
And when you're performing, do you is it always the same troupe, or do you sometimes have a smaller troupe for different venues?
Sometimes
Yeah.
we have smaller
Yeah.
trips for different venues because everybody works, and
Hmm.
that's the beauty about having Chinyakare for me. Like I don't know how I can thank these people, because everybody works,
Hmm.
and they put the time to come to practice. They put the time to come and do these shows. They do it the best they can all the time to show up and be with me. So it just makes me so proud of what I do with them. I mean, how they believe in me and trust me and being there with me. I mean, they're all from here. We are from Zimbabwe, but they're willing to learn. And
Well, I love the energy you had on the stage. It was beautiful,
well,
and
thank
the
you.
music and the performance and the dancing was really, really tight. Appreciate it.
Okay. And can you honor us with something, sing something a cappella before you leave?
Can I say what?
So sing an a cappella song before you leave.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yes.
Anybody want to say something?
Hey, I want to say we're missing numerous dancers.
Oh, okay.
So probably to bring the whole group to next time, next
Oh
year.
yeah,
So
oh
you can see the
yeah.
energy of the whole group,
Yeah.
of everyone dancing and everyone singing and playing. The whole group is
And
everywhere.
the guy with the crown, the fire thing on his head, he's that?
We're gonna.
So it's Ndengudu and then that's it.
Oh, that's you. Okay, great job. Yay. We love all the photographers loved you. Yeah, we're missing
And I'm so proud of having Glenn here. He just had a stroke,
Oh,
and he's
wow.
recovering. He never stops playing the
This music,
music.
she's talking about. You were talking about how music is and the whole everything is to heal. I've really experienced that in my recovery from this thing. It's really been. It's really. I mean, it was. I knew it was there before I needed it, and then when I found it was there, it helped me come back.
Okay, great.
Yeah,
We're
so
glad to hear you.
this stuff about the importance of water, and we're 90% water, and all this, the energy of this group was really, and the music itself, the whole Shona culture, is that about everybody working together, and it makes it. This is what's really special about the music and the dance, and it's
Oh,
all
yeah.
connected.
It's a beautiful
It's
thing.
all connected.
Yeah, thank you for bringing
So we
it to
don't do
us.
a cappella
Huh?
because
We don't do
everybody's in it
acapella?
together.
Oh.
Wait, I'd like to say one thing.
There's a question. Oh, go.
Julia, as a leader of Chinyakare, she's very inclusive. She opens the group up to whoever is interested in playing and loves the music. And so it's been really an honor to be able to work
Indeed.
with her and learn
Oh,
from her.
that's great.
Indeed.
And that's unique for a musician.
Yes, it is,
To
very
have
much
everybody
so.
come up. Thanks. And who were your influences when you were growing up in Zimbabwe?
My mom and my father and brothers and sisters, the whole family. This is like food and drink and a blanket to warm when you're cold. So, but then we all do this, and we have a dance troupe back home. Been traveling all over the world: Germany, Switzerland, China, Malaysia.
I don't know.
Yeah, everywhere.
Did you say that your dad is a musician too?
Yes, and
Uh-huh.
he makes instruments. We all do it all. We make costumes ourselves. And
Oh. Oh, the brother would like to say something.
When I started to study music back in South Africa at the University of Cape Town, I never met this family. I read about her father before I get to meet her. For me, that was blessing. You know, you go read about Zimbabwe music, you find books written by people traveling from years, anthropologists, people researching about music and the cultures of Africa, especially about Zimbabwe. They will talk about her father and the Chigamba family. I read
Wow.
about them before I met them and get a chance. I did not even know I would meet them. So that for me was powerful.
Okay, great, great. That's
Yes.
awesome. There's a very influence.